Everyone, welcome to our lesson 31. My name is Professor Robert. In today's lesson, we will study the division of polynomials. Okay, let's get right into it. Today, we will look at two examples of dividing polynomials. Let's look at number one, example number one. Let's suppose you are given 6x squared y to the power 3, and you're supposed to divide that by minus 2x cubed y. Now, we can simplify, rather divide the top polynomial by the bottom polynomial by following the index rules. Now, coefficients, work with coefficients, and variables, work with similar variables. So in this case, we have 6 divided by -2 will give us -3. Then at the top, we have x to the power 2, but we have x to the power 3 at the bottom. So that's represented as -3. And then we have the second variable y to the power 3, and we have another y at the bottom, which will be represented as -1. So actually, in the end, this becomes -3x to the power -1, y to the power 2. And then finally, this becomes -3 y squared over x. So that one would be our final answer. Okay, right. Now let's look at the second example. Example number 2. Let's suppose you are given something like 2x squared plus 11x minus 30. And this is divided, or to be divided by x plus 7. In this case, we use the method of long division to actually get the answer. So long division looks like this. So we have our expression there, 2x squared plus 11x minus 30, and this is supposed to be divided by x plus 7. So what we do first is look for the highest degree of the variables that we have. In this case, we have x squared. So that's what we concentrate on first. And we ask ourselves, what factor can we write here? And then when multiplied by x will give us 2x squared. Clearly, that factor should be 2x, because 2x times x will give us 2x squared. And then we move on to multiply 2x by 7, and that one will give us positive 14x. And then we subtract the new product from the initial product. So 2x squared minus 2x squared leaves us with nothing. 11x minus 14x will give us minus 3x. And down we pull our 30. Then we look for a number or a factor here, which when multiplied by x would give us minus 3x. And that must be minus 3. Minus 3 times x will give us minus 3x, and then minus 3 times 7 will give us minus 21. We then subtract our newly found expression from what we have here. And minus 3x minus minus 3x will give us 0. Now minus 30 minus minus 21 will give us minus 9. So minus 9 is what we call the remainder, because we can't really get any factor which when multiplied by x plus 7 will give us 9. So while 9 is the remainder, this expression here is called dividend. Dividend. And then this expression here is called the divisor. Divisor. And this expression here is called the quotient. Quotient. So finally, the answer to this kind of expression or answer will be the quotient 2x minus 3 plus the remainder. And the remainder is minus 9, of course, over x plus 7. So this turns out to be our answer to the division of those two polynomials. And all right, now if this um, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and subscribe for more Algebra Made Simple. See you in the next lesson, and bye for now.